Hey guys, in today's video, smash burgers. My first attempt. Let's see how I made these. Hey guys, this is my first time making smash burgers. I kept it simple. I used 1 pound of ground beef, did it by eye. I divided it in half again, got approximate sizes. I rolled them like a meatball, and you see me throwing the meat back and forth a little bit. That's to get the air pockets out. After I did that, I started to prep a little bit. I wanted grilled onions on these burgers, so I went ahead and cut up some onions. Burger sauce was not something that was even on my radar. However, I heard other people doing it, so I decided to put together a simple burger sauce with the recipe I saw online. I'd give you the recipe if I knew what I did. I was throwing everything but the kitchen sink into this recipe. But in short, it was ketchup, ranch, a little bit of relish, some sriracha hot sauce, and then I added some spices and stuff. I also decided to grab a tray and put the items on there. So that way I had everything somewhat handy. You can see I had the meat on there, the cheese, some lettuce, the buns, pickles. So now that we've prepped, let's go outside and put these things on the grill. The first thing I did was toast the buns. I put a little bit of butter down. I put the buns face down, and this is on a lower heat. I like the crust that it gives the bun, and I think it keeps it from being soggy. Next, I increase the heat on that side of the grill and put the onions down. It's also important to know that I'm using avocado oil to cook throughout this entire process. Finally, it was time to start putting these smash burgers on the grill. And I'm not going to lie, I was a little nervous with them sticking. I was a little concerned that that was going to be the part that I would screw up. But you'll see in a moment how that went. So one mistake I made was you'll see a lot of people use a piece of parchment paper between the press and the meat. I forgot. It's not that I didn't want to, or I've seen people oil the press. However, I forgot to do it, and you'll see I hesitate a little bit, realizing I made that mistake. Should I go forward? But it didn't seem to be an issue on this go around. However, going forward, I'll just experiment with that. Maybe I don't need to. However, I was really happy with this burger press that I purchased on Amazon that I'll link to in the description should you be interested. As far as seasoning goes, I just kept it simple. I have a Tony Cashier's Cajun seasoning. I decided to use that. If you guys have a burger seasoning that you're using that you love, I would love to hear about it in the comments. So here's the moment of truth. I'm about to flip the burgers. What the mistake I think I made was I may have flipped them too soon, but this last one you're going to see me flip right now came out the best. Watch how it looks when I flip it. I'm even going to point to it. Look how crispy that one came out. That one came out really good. As far as cheese goes, use whichever one you like. I put cheddar cheese for my daughter, and I used a jalapeno Monterey Jack for my wife and I, which I actually really enjoyed. If you want to learn more about Blackstone Griddle cooking, I will see you in the next video.